Hello students, welcome back to the General Science digital class. In the previous video, we studied adaptations and classifications of plants and animals. Today, we are going to learn more about plants. I hope you all have your textbooks with you. Students, we can see various types of plants around us. These have different structures, different types of leaves, flowers, etc. on the basis of which we identify these. A plant has many parts. What are these? These are flowers, leaves, stem, fruit and roots. These parts have different structures and perform different functions. What are the functions of these parts? All this we are going to learn, and hence we are starting with our lesson number 2, that is plants, structure and functions. Here you can see a daily life example showing formation of root. Your mother soaks grams or beans overnight, and after 2 to 3 days sprouts come out of these. What is this? This is nothing but is called germination. The part that develops towards the soil is called radicle, and the part that grows above the soil is called plumule. You can see here plumule develops into shoot system and radicle develops into root system. Now these are types of roots. How many types of roots are there? Yes, there are 4 types of roots: fibrous roots, tap roots, prop roots and adventitious roots. There are 2 main types of roots: fibrous roots and tap roots. What can you see here? Yes, carrot, radish and beetroot. Which parts of plants are these? These are roots of the plants. If we are asked the types, these are the types of tap roots. Tap root is the main or primary root of the plant from which other roots or secondary roots sprout laterally. As you can see in the picture, this is the primary root and the roots that are grown obliquely to this are secondary roots. The hair-like processes near the tips are called root hairs. The tip is covered by cap-like structure called root cap. Generally, dicot plants have tap roots. Here you can see onion is dipped in a jar filled 3/4 of water. After observing the growth of roots for 8 days, we can see the fiber-like roots arising from the stem. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Generally, monocot plants have fibrous roots. Cactus and lily are other examples of such roots. Students, you can try this experiment at your homes to grow scallion shoots. Now let's see how to grow scallion shoots. Students, have you ever seen maize stalk? Yes, this is maize stalk. You can see here the roots are under the ground as well as grown from the stem just above the soil. Such roots are called adventitious roots. Now come to page number 11 of your textbook. Refer, do you know? What can you see? Have you seen such type of roots? These are the roots grown from the trunk and branches of the banyan tree towards the soil. These roots are called prop roots. They provide additional support to the tree. Now what is this? This is the structure of the stem. As you know, the stem grows above the soil from the plumule. Here are the nodes on the stem. Leaves come out from these nodes. The part of the stem between two nodes is called internode. The tip or end of the stem is called bud. Mark all these points in your textbook and learn the spellings as well. Thank you, students. Today we have learnt about roots, types of roots and stem. In the next video, we will be learning the rest parts of the plant, that is leaf, flower and fruit. Read the lesson thoroughly from page number 10 to 12 till stem. Mark the important points. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Stay home, stay safe.